Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. Today we are going to learn our general knowledge ninth chapter Culture Scene. Children, whatever the questions are given in this video, you have to write in the notebook. First of all, in which state is the Tirumala temple of Lord Venkateshwara situated? This is the Lord Venkateshwara's temple and it is situated at आंध्र प्रदेश. दिस इज लॉर्ड वेंकटेश्वरा और जिसे हम बालाजी भगवान कहते हैं. दैट इज सिचुएटेड एट आंध्र प्रदेश. नेम द हिंदू deity who has the face of an elephant. Do you know who he is? Yes, Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha, 10 days we are celebrating the Lord Ganesha's festival, and before few days only it over. Is it? Name the folk dance famous in the state of Punjab. What is it? Yes, it is Bhangra. It is called as Bhangra. Bhangra dance with great joy and enthusiasm. This Bhangra dance is very much famous in Punjab. Not only in Punjab but the whole over India. Which instrument does Ustad Zakir Hussain play? It is tabla. Tabla played like this, and Ustad Zakir Hussain also is very much famous personality and he used to play tabla in various ways. Odissi is the classical dance of which state? It is from Odisha. This is the Odissi dance form. It is a classical dance form which belongs from Odisha. In which language was Thirukkural written by Thiruvallur? Thiruvalluvar. It is in Tamil language. This was first time published in 1794 and the author's name was Thiruvalluvar. Thiruvalluvar, usually called as Valluvar. It is a classical Tamil language text. Name the instrument that goddess Saraswati holds in her hands. It is Veena. Goddess Saraswati, which is the goddess of knowledge. Is it? And she holds Veena in her hand. What is the name of great Carnatic music composer who lived in Tanjavur? He was Tyagaraja. He was the famous composer. Now we are going to see about the means of transport. First of all, vehicle with a long arm which is used for lifting and moving heavy objects. That is called crane. By the crane, we can hold heavy objects also, like the cars and vehicles also. That is called a crane. Train driven by a diesel engine attached to it is diesel train. Nowadays, diesel trains are very much famous among the people and it runs very fast like this. Diesel train. Vehicle manned by firemen used for putting out a fire. What is it? It is fire engine. Fire engine like this. Vehicle used for leveling roads. What it called? Yes, road roller. You must have seen that this kind of vehicle is called a road roller which helps to level the roads like this. It is very heavy also, and by which the roads can be level straight. Aircraft having horizontal revolving blades. Is it? It is helicopter. Have you ever seen helicopter in the sky? Yes, like this, having blades by which it can fly in the sky. A passenger ropeway pulled by constantly moving wire cable is called cable car. Cable car, like the ropeway, we can travel in it. It is called cable car. Cable cars like this. What is it? Can you identify? Yes, vehicle on which Santa Claus ride. It is called a sleigh. Santa Claus sleigh looks like this. On 25th of December, our Christmas is there, and on that day Santa Claus came. I hope all of you understand this, children. Thank you very much for watching it.